What's growing on, gardeners? On today's 2-minute garden tip, I'm going to show you the absolute best weather to transplant things like annual vegetables and fruit trees in. Lots of gardeners are transplanting things out into their garden and their yard this time of year, but just because the sun comes up doesn't mean that the weather is appropriate for transplanting. Transplanting is a stressful process, and if the conditions are wrong, it could stress the heck out of your plants and cause them to fail to establish and even die on you. The best weather for transplanting plants is actually what you see right here today. We have a high temperature of 73 degrees and a low temperature of 60 degrees. It is not too warm during the day. It is not too cool at night. We can pretty much walk around in a t-shirt all the time and be comfortable. And if it's that kind of weather that is comfortable for you, chances are it will be comfortable for your plants as well. You will also notice that the skies are completely overcast, which is rare for where I live this time of year. So overcast skies means low UV index. Transplanting during really sunny days is a bad idea because all of that UV stresses out the plant. So cloud cover like this is absolutely perfect for establishing plants all day. So if you can catch a mild overcast day or a day with a really light drizzle, that is the perfect weather to transplant in. It's even better if you can catch 2 or 3 cloudy, overcast, light drizzle days in a row where there's no substantial rainfall, nothing heavy that will wash anything out, and no intense sun either. This dreary weather, while we may not like it long term, is perfect for establishing new transplants. But what happens if you need to transplant things right now and you cannot wait for cloudy, mild weather? Well, you definitely do not want to transplant anything in the morning or the middle of the day because you can't have those brand new plants go through a hot, sunny day when they are not established. So wait until about 3 or 4 p.m. when the solar intensity is dropping, or even better yet, if the sun has dropped below the trees, and do all of your planting then. That way the plants can sit and establish overnight, and they have the maximum amount of time before the sun comes up and stresses them out. Another great idea to increase your chances at successful transplants is after you transplant in the afternoon, put some shade cloth over them. Shade cloth dramatically reduces solar intensity, and that's how I'm able to do things like grow beautiful lettuce this far into the spring here on the southeastern coast of North Carolina, where it is starting to get hot. For your convenience, I'll place a direct link down in the video description to some shade cloth that's very affordable. I strongly recommend that every single gardener out there have some on hand during the heat of the summer. Your plants will thank you for it. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.